Hey everybody, I'm Uncle Dano, and we're going to do a little, not really install today, but a little bit of a swap on the BulletPoint Manufacturing dash mount for the Jeep JL. All right, little unboxing. BulletPoint did have a promo going on, and I pretty much forgot about that, but with an order over, I think, 50 bucks, you got a free 30-ounce Yeti type drink holder. So that's pretty cool. And let's see what we got here. Red carbon fiber, yes. Looking forward to that. And of course, they put a sticker in with each box. I think I kind of screwed up because I should have had some. There we go. Yeah, 7 centimeter. I think I needed the longer one. Oh, those were the 7. There's a shorty. Yeah, I may have to order some more. I'm not sure I actually ordered them. I ordered them when I wasn't in the Jeep to really measure things up. So we'll take off what we got and see what we need, and may have to order some more stuff. And here's what we currently have, and this has been the setup that I've had for about a year. And we're not really going, we are going to add one mount. But really, the reason for this is I'm a little bit OCD, and BulletPoint recently came out with some color carbon fiber, and I just wanted it to match the interior a little bit better. So let's see where we go with this. It's really easy to get these out. You use the factory screws, or screw points, and just 2 screws, 1 on each side. Comes out real easy. Well, here's our mount removed from the Jeep, and I did indeed order the wrong size mounts. As you can see, apparently I needed the 20 centimeter, or whatever what size is bigger than this, and I got the really small stubby one. So may have to do a redo on this. We'll see. But right now what I'm going to do, I did have already an extra mount to put on here, so I'd have 5. You can put 5 on here. So I'm going to move these over and get the 5th mount put in there so it's there, and then we'll be set to go. Alright, now we got all 5 on there, and let's see what we can do with replacing some of this stuff. Okay, so we've got the mounting system back in the dash, and it does look like we're going to be able to, you know, save one of those spots and, you know, use it for something in the future. So we had on an extra one the external speaker for the CB mounted on it, but I think we're going to be able to put it right there on the phone mount. So, and it'll be facing right at me while I'm driving, so I'll be able to hear the CB, and then I'll have 2 more mounts available if we ever want to do anything else with those. So let's see how that goes. So there you go. Nice, clean. It's actually at a better angle towards me, right in the middle underneath the dash cam. I like it. Radio GMRS is out of the way. Got the mount for the GoPro, and got a couple extra mounting points in case we need to add something in the future. I like it. I think it's a good system. 67 Designs looks like a good system too. That might be a little bit more flexible, a little bit easier to use. I'm not sure. I've seen it in different places, but I'm pretty happy with this, and I like the new color, and leave some links to where you can get it for yourself if you like it. Thanks for watching.